Living in Anthem means being surrounded by Arizona's breathtaking desert landscapes, stunning mountain backdrops, and endless blue skies. Homeowners in this vibrant community often design their spaces to take full advantage of the area's natural beauty. One of the best ways to do that? With window replacement solutions designed for large openings and scenic views. Whether your goal is to modernize your home, capture more sunlight, or frame the incredible views that make Anthem so special, the right windows can completely transform your living space. Let's explore how today's advanced replacement window designs can help you enjoy the outdoors from the comfort of your home. The beauty of large-scale windows in Anthem Homes. Large windows have become a defining feature of modern architecture in Anthem. They blur the line between indoor and outdoor living, allowing homeowners to enjoy panoramic desert sunsets and mountain silhouettes right from their living rooms or kitchens. But beyond their beauty, large windows also serve functional purposes. They increase natural light, create a feeling of openness, and make any space feel more connected to nature. The right window replacement can take your home from ordinary to extraordinary, without compromising on comfort or energy efficiency. Popular window replacement options for expansive views. When it comes to large openings, not every window is created equal. Here are some of the best replacement window options for Anthem homeowners who want to showcase their scenic surroundings. Picture windows. Ideal for framing wide, unobstructed views. These fixed-pane windows don't open, making them extremely energy efficient while providing maximum visibility. Perfect for living rooms, dining areas, or stairwells that overlook the desert landscape. Sliding windows. A popular choice for larger wall spaces, sliding windows feature wide glass panels that glide horizontally, providing easy operation in a modern look. Casement windows. Hinged on one side and opening outward, casement windows let in fresh air without interrupting the view. Their tight seal when closed also enhances insulation, an important benefit for Anthem's warm climate. Bay and bow windows. These designs extend outward from the wall, creating depth and dimension while capturing sunlight from multiple angles. They're perfect for scenic spots where you want a panoramic effect. Multi-panel glass walls. For homeowners seeking a true luxury upgrade, folding or sliding glass wall systems offer the ultimate in openness, transforming entire walls into clear glass that connects seamlessly with patios or decks. Each of these window types brings a unique blend of functionality, style, and performance, allowing you to customize your view to match your lifestyle. Energy efficiency without sacrificing the view. Anthem's desert climate can be demanding, with intense sunshine and temperature fluctuations between day and night. That's why energy-efficient window replacements are crucial for large openings. Modern solutions feature low-E coatings, argon gas insulation, and UV-blocking glass to help keep your home cool in summer and warm in winter, all while protecting your furniture and flooring from fading. By choosing windows with advanced thermal performance, you can enjoy your scenic views without worrying about glare, heat buildup, or high utility bills. Energy-efficient designs allow you to have the expansive look you love while maintaining year-round comfort. Framing the view. Style meets function. While glass is the star of the show in large windows, the frame plays a key supporting role. Materials like fiberglass, vinyl, and aluminum-clad wood provide strength and durability without adding bulk, allowing for sleek, thin frames that emphasize the view rather than the window itself. For Anthem homeowners, minimalist frame designs are particularly popular. They pair beautifully with desert-inspired architecture and complement the area's natural tones. Custom finishes, from warm bronze to matte black, can further enhance your home's exterior character. Professional installation for lasting performance. When dealing with large window replacements, professional installation is essential. Large glass panels require precision alignment and secure sealing to prevent air leaks and ensure long-term stability. Expert installers familiar with Anthem's unique climate can recommend the best materials and techniques to maximize energy efficiency and performance. They'll also make sure your new windows meet local building codes and withstand the area's weather conditions, from high heat to occasional windstorms. A professionally installed window not only enhances your home's comfort and beauty but also ensures that your investment lasts for decades. Final thoughts: in a place as naturally stunning as Anthem, your windows should do more than protect your home. They should celebrate your surroundings. With modern window replacement solutions designed for large openings and scenic views, you can fill your home with natural light, improve energy efficiency, and enjoy uninterrupted vistas every day. Whether you want to frame the rugged mountain horizon or open your living space to the desert breeze, investing in high-quality windows tailored to your home is the perfect way to combine beauty, performance, and comfort, all while connecting you more deeply to the landscape you love.